It's Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Subaru Impreza, stock reference number 5914. This shape ran from the 4th of 2007 to the 11th of 2011. It has an EJ20 4-cylinder 2-litre petrol engine backed by an auto all-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our EJ20 4-cylinder 2-litre petrol engine. Left front wheel, steel, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand mirror. Left rear door, 1 dent. Left rear wheel, steel, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate. Sun damage on the top. Right hand tail light. Right rear wheel, steel, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, 1 dent. Right front door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front guard, 1 dent. Right front wheel, steel, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right front door trim, right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear shifter, heat AC controls, touchscreen display, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, tidy vinyl, 3-spoke steering wheel with what's that called? Cruise control.